Andrew, here's another little guy.
Another one? Oh, he was.
Here, you would take a picture? I'm just going home like this.
Yeah, I got one. Bigger than last week's. I lost my button on my hat.
Your dinner, bud.
I got my big one. You got seaweed on the bottom right.
Got one.
Got one?
Yep.
That's about size mine, John.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, he's really hooked. He ain't going nowhere.
He's gonna pull backwards.
Look how hooked he is.
Yeah.
Howdy y'all, the Fishing Man here. So today we had a great time fishing. Between me and my brother-in-law's family, we caught like 24 to 26 trout. And I was able to take them home and fillet them up. And boy, they tasted good. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to the Fishing Man, and stay tuned for the next adventure.